What's up, guys? I am going to try to do this video the best I can. Let me show you where I'm at right now. The Orchid Inn Resort. This is not the Wild Orchid. It's the Orchid Inn Resort here in Angeles City. Right now they got a, let me see if I can get across here without getting run over. Ari's Pampanga Tattoo Tattoo Battle number 3. I know tattoos are not everybody's cup of tea, but other people do like it. But I'm going to head in here and show you what's going on. I did a walkthrough, and I'll tell you what, there is some amazing artists in here. Very, very nice. But what I did notice, and I was kind of like, wait, doesn't sound like a tattoo convention. Guys, they have all these tiny little tattoo guns, right? And they're not hooked up to anything. No electric coming in it. It's just battery. It's all battery operated. But you don't hear that buzzing. You don't hear you don't hear that in there. Now there are a few artists that do have it still, but that's one of the things that kind of like, I was like, wow, it's so quiet in here. So guys, we're gonna head in here. Arise Pampanga Tattoo Festival, Orchid Inn. Orchid Inn's another one of these places here. A lot of people are familiar with it. It's a nice place to stay. They have a very nice pool, reasonably priced. Matter of fact, I did a video on it. But yeah, let's head in here and let's check it out. All right, guys, let me get in here real quick. They're talking, they're not playing music. Just kind of show you around. Here's the one wing. They're down this whole wing here. I keep stopping back and bothering this guy because I like his Peaky Blinders video, or his Peaky Blinders tattoo. That's just, to me, that's cool. I love that show. So I keep bothering him. But you can see all the way down the wing here, they got all these tables set up. And listen, there's no music playing, nothing's playing, and you don't hear the buzz of the gun. You can see it, they're little tattoo guns, and there's batteries on it. There's one right there. I've never seen that till today. Either I'm old and I haven't caught up with technology. He's doing a fresh print. That's pretty neat looking. And there's some really nice ones. Real detailed ones. Here, I hear the buzz. What's up, man? Here's a buzz gun. That's what I'm used to hearing. All right? He's one of probably a handful that are using it. Everybody else has the newer style. I like this dude's hair, man. I like that. As you can see all the way down the wing here. I got them all down through here. This is the main area here, the court area.
Ano yung piece mo for today, sir, habang nagla-lunch ka?
They're talking. Obviously, they're talking. The only thing here they're running electric for are the lights. See the lights that they're using?
Sige, enjoy your lunch, sir.
I mean, there's some really nice work being done here. A lot of big pieces. I'm going to yell over top of the lady. And they're all set up down through here. All down through here. This is all Filipino artists, tattoo artists.
Sir, ano yung social media pages mo or yung tattoo page mo na pwede namin i-follow? Toys Ginto, shout out po kay Kuya Tox Ginto.
I'm just going to roam around here. Let me kind of get to the back here. So I'm not yelling. But isn't this nice? I mean, this pool is beautiful here. Nice. Like I said, I've checked these rooms out. They're reasonably priced. Come back here. Here's another area right back here where they got all the artists set up back in here. A lot of them are on like a lunch break. You know, you're looking at hours. This is hours worth of work. That's nice. That's going to be a nice piece right there. A lot of detail. That's nice. Here they are. And look, check it out. They're not laying on, tattoo tables. Well, there's one. They're laying on just chairs back here. That's their beds. This is another nice one back here. It's got a really nice tattoo. tattoo there on her leg going on. That guy's sitting in a stool. This guy just got two chairs. He's good to go. But once again, there's the guns. That's the tattoo guns. No wires, no buzzing, nothing. Do you change the needles out when you change color? Is that what they do? Okay. So when you, oh, okay, so you got them there. So every time they change color, they change out the needle. Very interesting. Let me shoot out of here quick. Make sure I don't bump anybody. Also get like a little line across their body. There's another one right over here. Look at that's what he's getting. Very cool. All right, let's I'm gonna shoot over to the other side. Oh, it's raining, guys, it's raining. But you know what? It don't matter if it's raining or not. It's not gonna stop the party because everybody's under tents. So that was smart. That was a smart thing that they did, that they put these tents up.
Hi, welcome to our ice tattoo competition here in Angeles, Pampanga. I am Once Upon a Tattoo. Please do like my page too. Welcome to Angeles City.
Where all these artists come from?
These come from different parts of Pampanga, sir, from Angeles, Mabalacat, and also San Fernando City.
And how many artists are here today?
More or less 100, sir.
100.
Yes.
And this is the third one that they've done?
Yes, for
Okay.
this year.
For the year. Okay, so all right, guys. Check her. Shout out again to your
Once Upon a Tattoo, Pampanga.
Once Upon a Time.
Once Upon a Tattoo, Pampanga.
There it is, guys. All right, guys, so here's the trophies they get for different categories. Professional category, a judge, that says Mike Judge back there. But you can see first, second, and third place. Non-professional category, non-professional newbie category. And then best in Asia style. But these back here seem to be maybe judges' picks. I could be wrong. Pampanga Tattoo Fest 2022. There it is. There's your DJ. The DJ's cranking the music. But man, you're looking at some of these tattoos, you're looking at 10 to 12 hours easily on these. So they got to sit there and they got to deal with this pain for 10 to 12 hours, right? And people always say, how painful are tattoos? You're paying somebody to inflict pain on you, so you got to judge it yourself. One of the things I find funny is, well, not so funny, it is what it is. Tattoo conventions I've gone to, there's a ton of like Harleys parked outside, not to stereotype guys who ride Harleys, but you know what, here you have all your scooters parked outside. Just a line of scooters here. Trikes. And scooters all down through here. Don't get me wrong, I've been to other tattoo conventions and they're held in like hotel lobbies in the winter time, so then you have a lot of cars. But this is your clientele. Well, they all ride scooters, right? And there's the church right there. This is the middle of Orchid Inn here. That's your main area. And then here's your offshoot, the Jasmine Wing. So you know what, guys, I've had people throw scripture at me, Bible scripture at me about marking your body and it's a sin, and to each their own, I guess, when it comes to religion. Judge not lest ye be judged. And it's funny because I just spoke to the nun, because there's a little Catholic church over here, and she wouldn't go on camera, but I asked her about the Catholic religion and what she thought about tattoos, and she said it's an expression of art. It's people's artwork that they like to put on their body, and that's how I look at it. Maybe years ago it was taboo, you know, only sailors had them, and you know, and gang members and bikers had them, but everybody, I wouldn't say everybody, a lot of more people are getting them now. They like the artwork, they like it being put on their body, it shows what they like. There's many reasons people get them. Memory of a loved one, someone that passed away, a portrait of a loved one that may have passed away, portrait of their dog, a portrait of their cat. But I always said, guys, I always say this, never put a female's name on your body, because you never know what will happen. Then you got to go in for cover-up. But really great show, really great show. All right, we can't forget these guys out here. This is in the main lobby as you come in to the Orchid. They even have a couple places set up right out here getting their work done. We can't forget these guys. These are the two only ones out here. Hopefully this is going to be a big success in the future, and they'll be able to fill out this whole area here. That would be nice. But this guy here I've seen right off the bat. He's getting Albert Einstein on his leg. Check it out. Let me show you real quick. Let me get on this side here. He's getting Albert Einstein on his leg. With what is that at the bottom? LA. LA. All right. That's pretty cool.
Los Angeles, sir.
Yeah. But all right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Like I said, I know it's not for everyone, but there are people out there that enjoy this type of stuff. It's not for everyone, and I understand. And people have left comments below in the past when I had gotten some work done. Wait, we got another one right here. Can't forget these. We can't forget these guys out here. What's up, man? Here's his work. That's nice.
Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. That's the final picture right there. The final product right there. Another, once again, another quiet gun shout out. Another just quiet tattoo. Thanks, guys. So if anything, what I've learned is you don't need the buzzing loud guns anymore. You don't need that anymore. They got these state of the art. And like I said, man, I wish I invented that, because I'd be a millionaire. Literally. No power, no electric. Bring that, plug it in, and you're good to go. So, all right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Once again, this was at the Orchid Inn Resort. You can see it behind me. Here it is. Let me show you. The Orchid Inn Resort. Hopefully they'll continue to do this. I was impressed. I've been to many conventions in my life, and I was impressed with what was going on. So we're going to leave you with the shot of Las Vegas, and we'll talk to you later.